Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share Telegram group chat invite link. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, of course, we have to go to our Telegram application on our mobile phone. And after we have this application opened, we can choose a group chat we want to share the link. For instance, I'm going to share the link of this group chat. So I'm going to open this group chat. Then we can click on the group chat's name right here and click on this pencil icon on the top. And then you have to go to the invite links menu. Okay, and here you will be able to copy the link of the group chat, or you can also share the link, and it's up to you. And I'm just going to copy this link so I can share it to my friends through another application on my mobile phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can share Telegram group chat invite link. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.